Hi guys, it's me, Wapo underscore, and welcome to West Hall.
I hear a lot about sinners. Don't think that I'll be a saint, but I might go down to the river.
So we're walking on the beach with M. Say hi. So you take a picture of the beach, baby boy.
Okay.
If I jump... Hi girl. Where you walking at?
Bumibili ako ng ice candy, gaga.
Whoa, look at the... Look at...
Pinok.
look at the beach right now. So beautiful. Ano sila? Right now, nandito po tayo sa Gimili. Ay, Gimili. Dito kami job that.
Gaga, picture.
No, it's video now.
It's video.
So, pupunta kami ng beach sa dagat. Maglalala. Maglalala tayo ng pogi hunting tayo. Pogi hunting tayo mga beshi. Ha? Let's go na sa beach. I want to feel the I want to feel the sand. Putang ina, mabasa ang cellphone ko, battery natin ang vlog ko Water. Lakad. Ako na mga bakla. Ikaw na bakla. Ana. Pakilala.
Hi! I'm Beachy with Peru.
Rap ka doon.
Fireball.
You want to be done? Panama!
Si Nene Navarrete, Paraguay. Si Nene Navarrete, Paraguay.
So guys, we're going to the beach na ngayon. Sa dagat na para mag-swimsuit competition. Kita-kita nyo naman mga kalaban, di ba? Look at that. Ay!
So I pause.
Yeah.
Candidate number 6.
Ayun, gusto ko siyang putulin.
Wala.
Why your car stop?
Stop namin ay mag-hiking kami. So, nako, makikita nyo yung mga view na talagang bonggang-bongga, right? Sino ba mag-hiking na dati? Summer, ready ka na ba?
Yeah.
Bilang yan ang outfit mo? Tingnan mo yung outfit mo.
Oo, nakapag-hiking.
Hiking yan ang suot mo, bakla?
Yes.
Totoo? Paano nasabit? Sasabit kung saan?
Sa bagay, nung nag-hiking tayo, nakadress din ako.
Okay, so makikita natin
walang
lang
dress
kung
code
gaano
sa
sila
hiking.
Yeah, I
talaga
brought 5. Is that okay?
gagaling na hiking. So, see you later.
Okay, go.
So super layo na po naabot namin. Parang 1.9 kilometer na yata. So una ka na, Bex, kasi
Hindi, video ko
look at
hindi ako
that.
sa ano. Go na kayo.
You go, Jeb. Take a video of them. So make sure you... So yeah. Okay. Stop there and go. So talagang ang hirap umakyat. Talagang ang hirap umakyat. Videographer namin, di alam ang gagawin. Tumigil ka na ng Jeff. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Oh my God. It's really hot. So good. Look at the stair that you're doing it. So hiking pa more. Hiking pa more.
Ayun sila.
Be careful, guys, because so steepy rock. Steepy rock. So malapit na talaga. Super lapit na. Makikita na natin yung taas. Whoa! Look at that, Jeff! Come over! Look at this view upstairs! Oh my God! Look at that view! See?
Come here, baby.
You can take a picture of that. Video of that.
Take some.
Ano?
Oo, madulas yung bato.
Hindi, tsaka mas mataas yun.
O dahil mas hapon kasi yun.
So pupuntahan na tayo sa second batch na talagang mataas ang labanan. Super taas na makikita nyo yung mga views. You know, I'm not ready to go hiking, but I try my best to do it. I try my best to do it, you know. So let's go.
going, Em?
Oh my God! I'm doing good. I'm looking for we are filming for the Blair Witch Project. Season
This one is
8.
kind of hard, guys.
And she is the witch that we're looking for.
This one, it's kind of hard to walk because it's so deep. Like you're going to madly deeply blue. Deeply blue. Oh my God. I can't imagine I can do it. Be careful, guys. You know what I'm going to do is call 911. Oh my God. My videographer, take care of yourself and take care of my camera. Holy.
You know it's better with the strap on the
I
camera.
know. But I didn't bring the strap. Because I believe the strap is limited. So, ito na yung next na pinakamataas na pupuntahan natin na talagang super makikita nyo. Yung daming bato. Ako po si Jessica Soho. At narito po tayo, nag-report. Pasok!
Nakikita po natin ngayon ang mga punong ito. Ito po ang mga puno kung saan kinukuha upang itusok sa mga puwit na mga bakla. Pasok, wapo!
Guys, talagang...
Samahan ang aming grupo.
Guys,
Akyatin
si Jessica Soho po
ang
ay
bundok ng
nahihirapan.
tralala.
Super hirap po talaga.
I-focus ang puwet ni Ana. Focus mo doon. Up mo doon, up.
Look at this, guys. Napaka-work it talaga ng aming pagbabaka. Look at that. And makikita nyo talaga ang view sa taas. Naku, I'm super excited. So guys, if you live in Manitoba, please visit West Hawk. West Hawk is very cute.
It's majestic.
Look.
Summer! Mar!
Ana.
Bunana! Na! Saan kayo? Nasaan kayo? Yo.
Hello?
Hello?
Summer!
Mar!
So guys, nawawala na po kami. Hindi po namin alam kung saan kami napapunta. Summer! Mar! Tawagan mo nga.
Summer!
Diyan ba daan, Bex? So guys, nadating na namin yung tuktok ng kagandahan ng aming lugar dito sa Weto. And I'm gonna kulay here. Look at this. I can stand. So ganda, look at them. So beautiful here, guys. Catch the view. Parang gusto nga lumigo. Mariligo na tayo dito?
May pang maliligo na hihilo ko ba?
Wala naman akong signal.
I'm gonna swim! fabulous! I love the city of Winnipeg. Mahal ito ba? Charot.
Ay! Malamig ang tubig!
Ang lamig, bakla! Ang sarap! Picture.
Oh. It's rolling.
Ako si Jezebel. Ikaw, sino ka? Google M. Ikaw, sino ka? Ikaw ang may-ari ng dagat na to. Swimming na tayo, Jeff. Let's go! Tatapos ang aking vlog dahil jujuin na bestie. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone. Bye. Say bye-bye.